morning, dear. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, I slept peacefully.
That's wonderful. So, how about starting the day by making your bed neatly?
Sure, I will fold the blanket properly.
Thank you. Now open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
The room looks brighter already.
Yes, sunlight keeps the room fresh and cheerful.
May I brush my teeth now?
Of course, and remember to rinse your mouth thoroughly.
I will also wash my face with cold water.
That's a good habit. Cold water wakes you up.
Should I set the breakfast table?
Yes, please place the plates and cutlery.
Where is the fruit bowl?
It's on the kitchen counter.
May I peel the bananas?
Yes, but be gentle while peeling.
Done. Shall I pour the juice?
Yes, pour slowly so it doesn't spill.
Breakfast is ready. Shall we eat?
Yes, let's eat together. Remember, chew your food well.
I like this bread. What is it called?
It's called whole wheat bread.
May I have more juice?
Yes, but only half a glass.
Why only half?
Because too much juice has a lot of sugar.
I understand. What should I do after breakfast?
You may read a book or water the plants.
I will water the plants. Should I fill the watering can?
Yes, fill it halfway so it's not too heavy.
The flowers look happy.
Plants need care, just like people do.
Can I play here for a while?
Yes, but be back before lunch.
All right, thank you, Mom.
Have fun and stay safe.